Welcome to Rishi Yoga. Today's video is about detailed diet plan for diabetes. I have divided this diet plan into 4 types. Empty stomach drinks, breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. Let's start. Before starting, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And click the bell icon. Empty stomach drinks. After bed, we can take these drinks as refreshers. Also, these drinks purify our blood, control our metabolic rate, and also control the sugar levels in our body, gradually decrease glucose level in our body, also give some important vitamins, proteins, and important fats. We can also take garlic cloves with these drinks. These are blood purifiers and also give essential vitamins. Let's come into breakfast. Guava is taken under breakfast. This controls our metabolic rate, decreases sugar levels, provides us vitamin A and C. Different kinds of fruit salads can also be taken, avoiding banana, jackfruits and mangoes. Sprouts are most preferable foods taken as breakfast at any time. I'm suggesting different types so that you can change your food in daily basis. Let's come into lunch. You can take green leafy vegetables as lunch. These also provide some essential nutrients to our body. You can also take millets as lunch. You can substitute millets in the place of rice so that you can control your cravings. Now let's jump into snacks. Different kinds of nuts can be taken as snacks so that they give us essential fats to our body. Let's go into dinner now. We can include many vegetable salads as dinner. Different types of salads give us different nutrients. Also, egg whites can be involved as dinner, both as dinner and breakfast. You can start your day with one egg white or an omelette. Also, ragi ball can be taken as dinner. This ragi ball have many essential nutrients, vitamins and proteins. We can also involve jawar roti in both meal and dinner time. Jawar roti is 10 times better than normal wheat. We can also involve seafoods and fish oils. These are also rich in omega fatty acids, vitamin A, D, C and B12. Foods that should be restricted. White rice and chapati should be restricted for diabetic people. Also, as alternatives, we can involve both veg and non-veg soups. Soups are not only rich in nutrients, help us to battle bulge, may also helpful in battle spike in our blood sugar. Water. Water is the most essential substance that should be taken more and more. A diabetic person should take plenty of water. Water is helpful in increasing insulin level. It also eliminates excess glucose through urine. Coming to an end, this diabetic diet plan is suggested by our nutritionist and our yoga teacher Rajini ma'am. She have also suggested this diet plan to many people. This diet plan helps us to control diabetic level and also it helps in weight loss. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.